To say children. Yes, this. No. Hi, Hannah. Good afternoon, baby girl. How are you now? Hey, how you doing? How are you? How are you? How are you? Long time. You've not been posting long videos recently. Why not? Only short at the sea sometimes. Although short is good, but that it's not give us that watch hour that I want. I went on break on YouTube. Hey, yeah, I hope all is well with you. I hope all is fine. I saw your younger sister's birthday that she did. Read her for me. I saw her birthday short videos. You're just posting short videos. Why did you went on break now? There must be a reason why you went on break. Is it just like that? Eh? Posting videos because your videos used to catch people. Because of my teeth. Hey, whoa, hey, you have teeth problem. Oh my goodness. But how is it now? Is it okay? How is it now? Your teeth, how is it now? Oh my goodness, so sorry. Have you gone for treatment? I dropped a question and answer post in my community. I want you to go to my YouTube community post and go and drop a question for me. I'll be answering that question on the 18th of May. That happens to be my birthday. So I need you guys to remove it. Okay, you have removed it. Yeah, so sorry. So I need you guys to drop questions for me. So go and drop your questions. Any question that you want to feel like asking me, drop it there in my post, community post. There are questions that are already there, so I want to use that my birthday to answer questions. And if God give me money, I'm going to give away that day. It's my birthday. Yeah, so I need you to go there and drop a question, okay? Yes. So thank God that you are back. You're posting videos. Your videos are doing well. Although YouTube now, YouTube is not. I don't know if I'm the only one that is facing this thing. Low view. How is YouTube? How did you see this YouTube? Because me, even we small content creators, we are complaining now. Can we go live together? Yes, we can, but not here, not with you, not well, it's going to be on StreamYard. Do you know that StreamYard? You cannot go live here. I don't think so. I've never done live. Let me see if it's possible.